It is 8:37 a.m. Wednesday morning, February 21st, 2024. We're aboard Amtrak train number 7, the Empire Builder, headed from Chicago Union Station to King Street Station, Seattle. We're dropping down Stevens Pass on the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Scenic Subdivision, originally the Great Northern Railway. Soon we'll be passing through Skykomish, Washington, population 191, I believe. We have one Siemens ALC-42 diesel-electric locomotive, 2 Superliner sleeping cars. I'm in the second sleeping car, Superliner sleeping car, lower level, roomette number 12. One Superliner dining car in the Superliner coach. And where's the snow? It's February and hardly any snow. I mentioned we're on the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Scenic Subdivision, and it is quite scenic, isn't it? Let's have a look inside this upper level of this Superliner coach. All kinds of leg room. Seats recline at least 45 degrees. And it's now 8:40 a.m. Wednesday morning, February 21st, 2024, aboard Amtrak train number 7, the Empire Builder, headed to King Street Station, Seattle, Washington, over and out.